What's up, guys? It's Taye Lotto back here with another video. And the one thing that I wanted to hop on here and say is to let you all know to never give up when you're starting your business. I remember when I first started my Shopify dropshipping business, I would get my ad accounts banned on Facebook a lot, and every time I had 100, 200, 300 sales on the pixel and get a ban, I would just think everything's done. I would fold and give up, and that's the last thing that you want to do, because later on I found out exactly how, when I got those bans on those ad accounts, how to overcome them, how to get the ad accounts back and get back up and rolling in 24 hours. And that's what's led me to generate over 500K in 1 month online. So never give up on what you're doing, especially when you're starting a business. And that's because you will face challenges in any business model that you have to overcome, guys. Like me, Facebook was a big challenge in my business, because I would generate thousands of dollars in sales, $10,000 days, and I would wake up and the whole ad account is banned. When you have no traffic running to your site and your ad account is banned, you're getting no sales. So technically, they shut my business down overnight without even saying anything. Facebook does not alert you and say, hey, this is why we shut your ad account down. They literally just tell you you only broke their policies and you can't get your ad account back. So you will have to overcome all of that. Payment gateways, when they're suspended, you will have to go out and find a better payment gateway and solve that problem and get back up and running. So that is the one thing that led me to generating my success and being profitable online and being able to work from home. Now, if you like this video or found any knowledge in this video, please enter the $10,000 giveaway. I'm giving away $10,000 in March. All you have to do is like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get it.